The worst feeling after buying something is buyer's remorse, especially when you find out that you could have saved thousands of dollars on that exact same thing. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get every possible discount available on a Tesla. With the government rebates stacked up with the discounts that I'll show you guys how to get, you could be looking at saving up to $15,000 in some cases. So let's dive in and make sure you don't lose out on any savings. The first mistake people make is going directly into Tesla.com and doing a custom order. If you do that, you're missing out on two important discounts, the referral discount and the inventory discount. That's what I'm going to show you right now.
First, head to the description of any one of my videos and you'll find a referral code link. Click on that link and it'll redirect you to the Tesla website where you'll see a page confirming your referral discount up to $1,000 off a brand new Tesla. Now the discount can vary depending on your location. For example, if you're in Canada, you'll get $1,300 off. But let's focus on the US for now. In the US, the referral discount goes up to $1,000, which breaks down like this. The Model Y and Model 3 get a $500 discount. The Model X and Model S get $1,000 off. And excitingly, the Cybertruck is now eligible for a referral discount as well, giving you $1,000 off when you use this code. Alright, so here's what you're going to do instead. Even when you're on the referral page, don't just click order now and start a custom order.
A custom order is fine if you're very specific about the color and trim you want.
So instead of going for a custom order, scroll down on the page and click order now under the explore inventory section.
This way, you can search for existing vehicles that match your preference and save some money with the available inventory discounts. So when you're on this page, you'll be able to see all the discounts available for your selected vehicle. The first discount to look out for is the $500 referral discount. If you scroll up here, you'll see that the referral has been applied, giving you $500 off the vehicle right from the start.
Scrolling down, you'll see an additional Tesla discount on the Model Y. Then on top of these, you have the federal tax credit, which brings the price down to $33,890, providing another $7,500 in savings.
So combining these three discounts, the first referral discount, the second would be the Tesla discount, and the third would be whatever federal rebate or government discounts you have available. So in this sense, you would be saving about $11,600 in this Model Y that I showed you guys. That's a massive reduction from the original price.
If you click on view details for any vehicle, one crucial thing to look for, especially in Canada, is that the car must be brand new to qualify for the federal rebate.
Canadian federal rebate requires it to be a brand new car, while the US has slightly different rules.
To make things simple, switch on the tax credit eligible vehicle filter. This will ensure you only see vehicles that qualify for the $7,500 US tax credit. Now, for example, if I click on a Model 3, you'll notice there's a tax credit available for this model, even though in Canada it would be considered used and wouldn't qualify for the $5,000 rebate. In the US, however, it still qualifies for the federal credit. Here's a quick comparison. This Model 3 costs around $49,930, but it's a demo vehicle with 37 miles on it.
Now, why would you want to buy a car that's been on the showroom floor and has been handled by multiple people? Instead, consider this brand new option below with a 19-inch Nova wheels. It's not a demo, it's completely new and it's priced slightly higher at $41,850. So compared to the demo vehicle, it's not a big amount of savings to incentivize you to get the demo vehicle. Additionally, other options may be available, but keep in mind that only select models come with these discounts. For example, this Model 3 would cost you about $45,490, but it is discounted to about $41,850, making it a solid choice if you're looking for a new vehicle that qualifies for the full benefits.
Now, if you're a picky buyer looking for a specific trim or color like red, here's what to do. Select red from the color options and you'll see any available red vehicles. For instance, there's a brand new 2024 model in red with close to $4,000 in discounts. If you try white though, you might notice there aren't any discounted white Model 3s available at the moment. Inventory can vary, so keep checking back or adjust your filters.
Also make sure to enter your zip code for your state to find inventory near you. This way, you won't have to travel too far whether you want a Model 3 or a Model Y.
Now let's switch over to Canada to see what it looks like. Click on the region switcher, select Canada and then English to switch over to the Canadian site. Here the process is similar. Enter your postal code in the top left, for example, 1 for Toronto, and it'll show you available inventory in that area. This makes it easier to see what's available close to you without having to search across the entire country. Let's start with an example using a Toronto postal code. Here you'll see a white Model Y available for delivery.
Originally, this trim would cost you about $69,190, but there's almost a $4,000 discount, bringing it down to $65,730. On top of that, you still get the $1,300 referral discount, and again on top of that, you get the $5,000 federal rebate here in Canada.
Important note for Canadian buyers. When you click on View Details, make sure it says New Vehicle on the page. This label is essential because in Canada, only new vehicles qualify for the federal incentive.
You'll see that the $1,300 referral discount confirmed here as well, which helps maximize your savings.
Let's try another location, Winnipeg this time.
Unfortunately, as of shooting this video, there's not any discounts available on the Model Y in Manitoba. But keep in mind that you still get 3 discounts. Not only do you get the $1,300 referral discount, you also get the $5,000 federal rebate. On top of that, you get another $4,000 from the province. So in total, you get about $10,300 in total discounts and rebate just to buy a Model Y. So hypothetically, if a Model Y would cost you $60,000, you could get away with buying that exact car for $50,000.
Always check for provincial or state rebates where you live, as they can add significant savings on top of the other discounts, bringing down your Tesla's price even further. One thing to keep in mind on the Canadian side is that the Model 3 isn't currently available. Hopefully, it'll make a return in a month or two, but right now, Tesla is primarily pushing the Model Y, with plenty of discounts available. So if you're in the market for a Tesla, this might be the perfect time to consider the Model Y, especially if you can find one in the Explore Inventory section. This is particularly relevant for people in major cities like Toronto, where inventory is abundant, and in Vancouver, where there's a strong selection as well. For example, if I enter a Toronto postal code like M3R1C6, you'll see a wide range of discounts for the Model Y available here. Now if you switch to the Model 3, you'll notice the referral discount disappears, meaning there's no referral discount currently applied to the Model 3 in Canada. And on top of that, it seems there are no inventory discounts either.
Also, if you ever come across a demo vehicle, especially here in Canada, do not click on it, do not buy it. No matter how much discount it is, you're gonna lose out on the federal rebate or any provincial discounts. You need to have a brand new car to be eligible for those rebates. So do not get a demo vehicle here in Canada.
Tesla's focus on pushing out the Model Y could be because they want to clear out existing stock before the 2025 Model Y Juniper launch. So, if you're considering a Model Y, now's a great time to take advantage of the available discounts. Now let's talk about the Model 3. Right now, I wouldn't recommend going for a Model 3, especially since there are limited discounts. Waiting a month or two might be better, as Tesla could come back with better discounts or even improved interest rates. For example, if you're looking at a demo Model 3 with a $2,000 discount, remember you're losing out on the $5,000 federal rebate in Canada. And if you're in Manitoba, you'd miss the $4,000 MPI rebate as well, because demo vehicles are considered used in Canada, making them ineligible for these incentives. So here's the bottom line. If it's a demo, you won't be able to take advantage of several major discounts. For those considering a Tesla in the near future, the Model Y is the better option. Not only is there inventory available with decent discounts, but you're also getting Tesla's latest hardware, such as Hardware 4. The choice ultimately comes down to whether you're looking for a deal or want the very latest model. The Model Y Juniper is coming soon, but if you custom order it when it launches, you won't see any of the current Tesla inventory discounts. Tesla's likely trying to clear out Model Y inventory now so that by the time the Juniper arrives, they don't have leftover stock on their website. So, if you're someone who likes a good deal, now is the ideal time to pick up a Model Y from the inventory section, especially in cities like Toronto and Vancouver, where there's plenty of stock available. You're still getting great value, and these models come with Hardware 4. The updates in the Juniper will mostly include some new comfort features, a few aesthetic changes, and other minor upgrades. Just remember to enter the correct postal code if you're in Canada or zip code if you're in the US to ensure you're viewing inventory at the nearest service center for easy delivery. So that wraps up all the ways you can maximize your savings on a Tesla right now. Whether you're looking at the Model Y with its current inventory discounts or waiting for future options, there's never been a better time to get a great deal. Not only are there massive discounts available, but you can also get 0% financing on the Model 3 and Model Y. With a 3-year term at 0% for the Model 3 and a 5-year term for the Model Y, this is an unbeatable deal if you have good credit. The Model Y right now offers one of the best values Tesla has ever offered. And with all the available discounts, it's a great option if you're looking to save. Even with the upcoming Model Y Juniper release, these discounts are attractive enough to pass up on a few creature comforts the Juniper might add. So, if you're looking for a great deal, now's the perfect time to snag a Model Y and save big. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to check the link in the description for the referral code to start saving right away. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.